This maintenance-free, heavy-duty black color air compressor is designed for use with any high-pressure suspension or horn system. Rated at 200 PSI, it features horizontal cooling fins and a trapezoidal head designed for optimal heat dissipation. Designed to work with air tanks up to 5 gallons, this air compressor delivers the performance of a fast-fill compressor while actually being constant duty. Unit comes with a standard 3/8 of an inch stainless steel braided hose with 3/8 of an inch NPT inline check valve, air filter with remote installation kit that allows for relocation of the compressor's intake to a place free of dust and debris, fuse and mounting hardware. Ideal for all vehicles with a 12-volt system.